Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Suncoast Beach Club in St. Thomas and we are going to give you an update on this project. But based on what we're looking at, um, there hasn't been much development since the last time we made the video. And looking at the video, you don't really see like any activities taking place. So I'm not sure what's going on with this development. Now, this is a massive development. It is 90 acres. If anybody has any definite information as to what's going on with this development, let us know. Now, there is nothing to say on the website or anything to say it has stopped. But if it hasn't stopped, it has definitely slowed down because these buildings are at the same stage of development as when we did the last video. Now, this is a massive development, over 300 homes, and it was projected to cost $35 billion. They were selling luxury units and over 300 luxury units for all the phases. And although it's on this side of the road, the development is also on the other side. There's a tunnel that goes under the Southern Coastal Highway that takes you over to the side where the beach is. So there's a tunnel under the road that we're looking at now that connects both sides of the development. Now, phase one was to have finished in 2024. That's why we're not sure what's going on. And clearly, they have missed that target. There is a model unit that's there, but other than the model unit, no other unit looks like it's completed. And it's a nice development. We actually did a video of the model unit some time back, and it's a very nice development. Now, these houses were on the market. Not sure if the prices have changed, but I'm going to give you just an idea of what the prices were like. It was supposed to be 396 units in all, and the estimated total cost is 35 billion Jamaican, and the expected target date for the delivery of phase one, which should have been 133 homes, was December 2024. Now, a two-bedroom townhouse was 420,000 US. Now, a two-bedroom duplex was 520,000 US, and a three-bedroom duplex was 580,000 US. So definitely luxury homes. So the Suncoast Beach Club is a large resort-style beachfront housing development located at 12 Miles St. Thomas, just outside Kingston. The developer is TCF Holdings Limited, and it's a gated residential resort community about 15 minutes from Kingston. The total size is 90 acres of beachfront land. And the total planned homes is 396 residential units, and the development includes commercial and recreational amenities. The 396 units include 2 and 3 bedroom townhouses, duplexes, villas, and condominiums. It's supposed to have 229 two-bedroom townhouses, 85 three-bedroom townhouses, 42 duplex units, 16 villas, and 24 condos. It will include a clubhouse, spas, and a sports lounge, swimming pools and fitness centers, tennis, futsal, and other sports courts, and it will have a jogging trail and recreational parks. Basically, all the amenities that you would find in a luxury development. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. So we will keep you guys updated as to what's happening here. And if anybody has any information, leave a comment in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.